Hi, my name is Martin Prast, Director of Business Development here at Spectralink. I would like to introduce you to our 76 series handsets. And the handsets with the 76 series is especially designed for really harsh, ruggedized environments like manufacturing, industry areas, where focus is really around durability. And that means we've had focus on designing the products to fit into these verticals and provide the optimized functionality in these areas. If we look at some of the safety around the solutions and the ruggedized design, we've actually added IP64 compliance to the devices. That means that the handsets are dust protected, dirt protected, and even water splash protected. So when you are in these environments, it'll still stand, it will still function and provide robust functionality. Especially around this series, the functionality of integration with the various third-party application partners is very important. So we offer also on these the full integration with our API towards these functionalities of both using our icons that we have in the display, our alarm buttons, the man down functionality, so that we're able to provide more solutions into the environments that our customers are in. Voice is a key part of our solutions, and that means we are very focused on our partnerships and integration with the market-leading telephony platforms. This in order to provide a really seamless experience for the user throughout a building, throughout a site. In the 76 series, we have two handsets, the 7622 that offers the full functionality around these alarm and notification icons in different priority of red for high alert, blue for maintenance scenarios. And in addition to that, an alarm button and a headset jack. And for the headset jack, this is, for this series, optimized, so it has an amplifier, especially because in these areas, there's areas like very loud noise is a key issue or in these functionalities. So for this, it's very important that we can support industrial-grade headsets with full functionality. If we look at the 7642, in addition to what I just showed, it still has, of course, these different alarm icons, an alarm button as well, even a headset jack with the amplifier. It also has Bluetooth, so that we're able to support, again, different handsets, but also in some cases where we're supporting partners who want location as part of the functionality, that we can also do that. For safety, we've added even more functionality with this handset. So there's a tear-off string that we can use to initiate an alarm connected to your belt or your work suit. And as part of that, also add functionalities around detection of alert scenarios. This means that we have a built-in accelerometer in the device so that we can measure if it's horizontal, we can measure if it's no movement, we can measure running detection and all kinds of mix and matches of these scenarios so that we're able to provide a scenario-specific detection of safety. If we look at the accessories for these types of devices, we have various kinds. Again, the alarm string or tear-off string is one of the functionalities or accessories you can get. We also have two types of chargers. One charger is a regular desk charger. The other functionality is where you have a possibility to actually charge an extra battery. This is really important in the environments where they have 24-hour shifts. You need to change the battery at one point. And for that, even the handset has a possibility to actually have battery replacement. Also for these, for comfort, belt clips are available so that you can wear it on your belt so you don't have to carry it in your pocket or in your hand. Thank you.